Welcome to the Crypto Market Minute. I'm Doug. Let's get to the charts.
Good morning, everyone.
Hello again, my excellent friends.
As you can see, we had our big sell-off last week, and we have barely bounced at all. If we draw in our lines here, then you'll see that from the top to the bottom of this sell-off, we come up, like we always talk about, 50%, and we barely bounced at all. But there's one thing that I really wanted to draw some attention to.
Hey, Dave, listen up, please.
These volume candles down here. Let's remove this again, and we'll take a look at it. So obviously with the big sell-off, we expect big volume, and we did get some big volume on this sell-off here. But look right here, we got this nice big volume candle, but the price didn't go anywhere, and that's significant. That's a key when we talk about looking at technical indicators and why you don't need a bunch of indicators and things on your charts, because the candles and the volume tell you everything that you need to know. This is an example of that. Volume means that lots of transactions are happening, right? So for every mark on this thing, you have to have two sides. There's a buyer and then there's a seller, and every time they agree on a price, it puts a mark on the chart, right? So that's obvious. But what this says to us here is that lots of people were coming and buying here, but every time that somebody wanted to buy, there was some seller there ready to just dump their shares on them, in this case Bitcoin on them. And so we had all of these transactions happening, a lot of volume, but the price didn't go anywhere, which really meant that there was nobody wanting to push this thing higher. That every time somebody came in saying, okay, I'll buy it at this price, you had more than enough people ready to dump their Bitcoin on them at that price. And the price just hasn't bounced at all. This is complete dead right here.
Yeah, no, that thing's a piece of crap.
So we're sitting right here at the lows. This is looking extremely bearish. This thing looks lower to me because we haven't bounced at all. Not only did we not make it to the 50% line here on our charts that we always draw in, but we probably didn't move 10%. I mean, this is really, really weak and looks lower.
Well, that's all for this morning. As always, remember to like and subscribe. And of course, if you have questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. We'll see you back here on The Grasp.